There's our baby girl and the ate. Maaga kami dumating ng Mandarin Bay. Pero ang check-in time namin is 3 o'clock. So while waiting for our check-in time, nagpa-braid muna sila. And magsiswimming muna sila. Kaya magpapalit muna kami ng swimming clothes. Wow! Are you excited to swim na? See, we have the longest pool, diba? Biggest?
Mommy, why am I not allowed to pass there?
Where? Yeah, you're not allowed to go there. Baka super ano na yan, malalim. We'll go there later. We'll go there later. Stay here muna. Si Mami na. Si Mami na. Hot pa yan. Aka na. Good morning! Good morning, birthday girl! Let's eat na. Katiin ka sa food, ha?
Guys, my name is...
I thought you want to go back vlogging. Oh, come on. What do you want to say?
I like this. The tigers here in Boracay, and then we are here in the biggest swimming pool in Boracay.
Hey. There's Natalie's surprise. It's Natalie's first birthday. Happy birthday, Natalie! Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. There's Natalie's picture. Masa-surprise sila nito, guys. Hindi kasi nila to alam. Hinabol ko tong picture na to. Happy first birthday, Natalie. Hooray! So there, our room. We have 2 beds. And meron kaming water, mini fridge, cabinet, bathrobe. And we have the vault, slippers. This is their bathroom. Ayan. Hi guys. We have bathtub. Naka mag-enjoy talaga si Ate Arya and Ate Riley kasi may bathtub kami dito. And we are pool view. Ayan. Nauna kasi ako sa kanila umakyat dito sa taas. So, wala pa sila, guys. Nagsiswimming pa rin sila until now. Check natin yung labas. Wow! Ito ang view namin, guys. Ayan. Nice. Meron kasi nagdi-DJ eh. Every Friday and Saturday yung DJ nila. Ayun sila. Nandito pa rin kami sa swimming pool. Hindi pa rin kami nakakapasok ng room. Kasi walang awat kaka-swimming. Oh. Oh my goodness. Dito na rin kami magdi-dinner. Dito na kami nag-lunch kanina tapos magdi-dinner dito ulit. No, Natalie? Yeah? Kakatapos lang mag-swimming. Ngayon pa lang mag-check-in sa room. Push it! Come on! Push it! Open it!
Wow! Happy birthday!
What's that? Oh, you read it.
I don't know how.
Huh? You don't know how to read? Okay.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Wow. Happy birthday, Natalie. Happy birthday, baby. What? What did you say? It's not a real cake. It's just made of... Hindi naman yan. A real cake, anak. Grabe ang itim.
Happy birthday.
Wow, what's that? Happy birthday, Natalie. Happy birthday, my Natalie. What's that? What's that, Natalie? Parang hindi naman na-surprise to. Na-surprise ka ba? Ang itim mo na, oh. Happy birthday, Natalie! Happy birthday, Natalie! Hooray!
Salud!
Hooray, Natalie! Hi, seahorse! Where's the seahorse? Show them your seahorse na. Wow! Good mood na siya kasi naka-dede na. Ayaw niya kasi mag-dede ngayon sa battle eh. Wala pang ligo si Mami. Kanina pa si Mami walang ligo. Natalie, yung dalawang ate ayun, busy maglaro. Mag-cellphone.
Can we also be in the house? This one's for Natalie. This one and this. Okay. And this is Natalie's. His name is
Your hair is so nice.
What?
Your hair is so nice.
Okay. Yeah.
What?
I said there's some more pa.
That's Natalie's. That's not yours.
Hi guys, happy first birthday, Natalie.
Oh, wow, hindi namin nakita. Meron palang cake si Natalie sa loob ng ref.
Natalie,
Yay! Natalie, this is yours, baby. Eat na. You want to eat the cake? Ito naman, lahat takot.
Mine and this is Natalie.
That's your cake, baby. I don't know. You wanna eat it? Tomorrow na lang. Tomorrow na lang. We'll go to sleep na. No, tomorrow na lang. Good morning. Good morning, birthday girl. We're going to eat breakfast. Nauna na si Daddy, si Ate Arya, and si Ate Riley. Magsisimba muna kami ngayon, guys, kasi today is Sunday. Saka kami mag-swimming ulit. You say hi! Hi, vlog! Hi! Yan na lang yung suot ni Natalie kasi mainit daw sa church. Pero umuulan naman ngayon. And Mommy's wearing Zara clothes. Say hi, everybody! Ang kalat ng room namin. You're still sleepy? Huh? Come on, let's go. Eat breakfast first. Come on. Where is your slippers? Bye, guys. Say bye. Bye, guys. Hi. Hi, Natalie. Hi. What are you eating? Puro cereals lang naman kayo, anak?
I have one burrata.
Okay. Natalie! What are you doing there? Huh? Ang lakas ng alon. Grabe, oh. Hi, Natalie! Aba, walking na yan, ha? Where you going? Where you going? You wanna go outside? You wanna swim? Huh? Let's go, let's go, let's go! Ayan. Where are we going? We're going to Two Seasons.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're going there, no? To Kuya Terrace's hotel. Ninang Jean.
Yan ang jeans.
Oh, what did you say?
We're going to Ninang jeans.
We're going to
To our food.
Two Seasons.
Bye.
Punta kami kila Jean.
I'm still eating.
Oh, hurry up na.
It's too hot. I cannot eat fast.
Yummy. Crab. Raya naman nag-steak tsaka shrimp. Riley, what are you gonna eat? Bread lang naman kinakain mo eh. Bread lang naman din mo. Ha? Wake up, wake up, wake up. Hi, baby. Good morning. Buti pa si Natalie, oh. Hi, lovey. Good morning, my baby. Come on, come on. Hi. Good morning, lovey. My love, love. Asus. Let's go eat breakfast na. Let's go na. Come here na. Asus. Hi. Oh, what are you eating? Pancake? Okay. Puro cereals lang naman kinakain ito sa breakfast. Sayang. Sayang ang pre-breakfast mo, anak. Ikaw, what are you eating? What happened to your eyes? Bakit maga? Lots of bread. Here's Mommy's breakfast. And Natalie's breakfast is just pancake. Yeah? Nataas pa yung paa mo, ha? Natalia, what are you doing there? Hi! What are you doing there? Uy! What are you doing there? Are you calling? Ha? Ang cute mo naman dyan, anak. Let's go swimming na. Kakagising lang yan eh. Hana? Let's go swimming na. Come on, come on, come on. Don't eat that. That's dirty, mahal. I know. Smoke the menu. Hi! May high chair ka? Thank you. Akin ba?
Oo.
Yummy!
Okay naman.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Babe, open the light. Naku! Umakyat na kami ng room kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin at saka ng ulan. Kaya sabi ko, umakyat na lang kami kasi kawawa naman sila Riley at si Arya nilalamig na. Tsaka si Natalie. Nalamig na nga anak, nag-mais con yelo ka pa. Tsaka halo-halo. I ordered mais con yelo. Pero umulan. Ang lamig lalo. Grabe. Bad timing yung punta namin dito. Bumabagyo. Wow. What flavor is that, Riley?
I don't.
That's pistachio. What's that?
I want to eat.
That's mango graham.
Yeah. I love graham.
Pap, matatapon. Okay, magde-dessert muna kami dito, guys, sa lobby ng Mandarin. Tapos lang namin mag-dinner sa Island Inasal. Okay.
Wow.
Is it yummy? You give Natalie, ha?
Natalie?
It's a mini cake.
And it's so yummy. That's why it's almost supposed just because it's so yummy.
Ngap. Okay, that one?
That is so yummy.
Okay.
No.
Wow.
Jonas.
That's Jonas mango shake. Why are you crying? Natalie! Smile! Arya, Riley, smile! Say hi! Hi, vlog! What are you making? I thought you were gonna make a sandcastle. Natalie! 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 Why? Why? Let's eat, guys. Walang kamatay for cheese pizza. Let's eat. Si Natalie nandun. Ayun, kasama si Ninang Jean niya. Susubuan daw niya ng sinigang. Hi, Elising. Yaw yaw in Boracay. Video. Oh, pati ba naman dito sa Boracay, yaw-yaw pa din? Haba rin ang pila. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Where you going? You don't know? You don't know where you're going? We're going to Keyhole. This is our first time here. Wow naman. Naka-holding hands pa.
Holding hands pa sila eh.
Oh, that's the Keyhole. Morning! Eating pancake, this baby girl. Our last breakfast here in Boracay. We're going home na later.
Mommy! Mommy, why is this more dark than this is not?
Anak, you stir it lang. Come here! Natalie! Boom! Natalie, boom! Nag-iintay lang kami ng pick-up namin. Dito muna kami sa pool area while waiting for the pick-up.
Hi guys, now this is our last day and then we're going to Manil. It's already a rainy season. That's why I'm not swimming.
We're back in Manila. Hi. Vacation is over, Riley. Vacation is over.